I know a lot of you are thinking, you should just buy a tractor, and you guys should subscribe and like and comment and share my videos, and you know what, then I could buy a tractor. What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, and I'm back. And this is what my week's been up to. Today, we just got a fuel pump in the mail. That is going to go on the 97 Grand Caravan that I've acquired. According to the mechanic shop that I bought it from, fuel pump was the only thing wrong with it. So we got that going for us. I got the Kia. We've finally gotten everything off it. I'm trying to get it on my trailer. I haven't put my winch on the trailer yet. There is a nice little pad for it. So probably tonight, maybe tomorrow. This is what I've been working on. So my plan is to jack this up with jack stands as high as I can go, and then just back the trailer underneath it. Now it does have back tires on it, so I'm thinking once we get it like right in here, I'll just get a come along and pull it forward. And then later this evening, we got a couple small block Chevys we're gonna take over to Youngblood Performance and just let him have them, because you know he likes that kind of stuff. He's building me an engine. We got to talk about it, figure out what the game plan is. At the beginning I was like, yeah, get a fancy engine, go fast, crash into stuff. And then I was like, man, dumping a lot of money into an engine, and then, you know, I will hit you with the oil pan if it comes down to it. Yeah, so here's what we're working with. I got the front end up enough, put the jack on the trailer, lifted the front up, and then I was backing up, and the jack will just roll. I think we're hitting on the little carrier bearing. So at this point, it'll be best to get another jack, put it on the back side, and as we lift up, use ratchet straps or come-alongs, pull her that way, and yeah, it's going great. Okay, so this took probably 30 to 45 minutes. We have a chain fall, we got straps, we got it going around the frame, and I know a lot of you are thinking, you should just buy a tractor, and you guys should subscribe and like and comment and share my videos, and you know what, then I could buy a tractor. I could quit doing electrical work. I could probably get to a point where I'm not building stuff in the driveway, and we just get AC for the shop and, you know, go build in there. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Derbies aren't going to wait until you're at a good point in your life. So sometimes you just got to figure it out. And, you know, sometimes you got to put a car on a trailer. This is how I used to load cars, except with a come along. And you could, you know, you could only get it up about 3 or 4 foot, and then I'd have to go to the car, set the parking brake, and each time I'd have to move the straps back another pocket. And you know, then I got my winch, and I really appreciated the winch. sometimes you just got to go the hard way, and you know, to make you appreciate the easy way. Now, yes, it is still very far back, but I gotta go. I gotta run these engines over to Illinois. Yeah, and this will continue, so stay tuned. Okay, so we've made it back to Monday. I think I'm 35 subscribers away from my goal of 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe, tell your friends, tell them to go subscribe, tell your spouse, your girlfriend, your mom, anybody you know with a YouTube account to come follow me. I don't care if they watch the videos or not. I'm just trying to get to 5,000. So, like I said, we're back to Monday. Look what we got pulled up here. We got a 1980 something box Ford. We're gonna start building it for a team show later this year. Yes, where are we in? We're in August, and I'm building fresh cars for, you know, this fall, this winter. Who knows? I know, but I'm not ready to tell you all about that yet. Anyway, we're gonna start looking at putting a cage in this. We're gonna start looking at fixing the, what is it, 09 Dodge Caravan. Needs some love. And then right back here, we got the 2007 Grand Caravan, and right here we have the fuel pump that's going in it. I'm getting really good at pointing at things. You know, usually everything's backward, but it's a great day. Anyway, got home from work, pulled this up, and now I got to take my daughter to softball pitching practice. This is her first year learning how to pitch. She pitched her first game this weekend with no official coaching, like just us watching YouTube videos and winging it. Tonight, we're actually taking her to a professional lesson. So that's where I'm going tonight. Tomorrow night, she's got practice. Thursday night, she's got practice. So in between practicing, I'm gonna be working on this. So check out SeatGeek. Use promo code Marles if you guys are trying to get any concert tickets, or tickets to other sporting events this fall. Use promo code Marles, get $20 off your first purchase. I'll let you guys know when I start working on this. Here we go.